Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add to your story on Facebook. So if you guys didn't know, in Facebook there are story that where you can update your daily activity or your daily uh schedule to your friends on Facebook, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here on the Facebook page, make sure that you go to this tab stories, and then here you can also see your friend story and here in here. And if you want to create your own story, you can just click on create story, and here at the story you can add music, tags, you can also add your selfie, and also you can add a boomerang video, or you can also add a photo or video from your own gallery. And here for example I want to add a photo, okay, this one's right here. Okay, so you can also add some music to your photo. For example, I want to add this one's right here. You can also change the way how the music looks. You can also like show the lyrics of the music, show only the title and the singers like this. So you can just put it in here. If you're not going to add music, you can also add stickers, you can also add tags in here, or you can also tag people. For example, in here you can find your friends on Facebook in here, and then when you're done choosing your friends, just click done and they will be tagged in your story. And after that, if you're satisfied with your story, just click on share, and after that your story will be added to your Facebook. So now it's sharing. You can just wait until the uploading process is finished. Okay guys, so that is how you can add a story to your Facebook. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.